Would you like to raise your essay grades without spending hours rewriting? Here are 3 quick fixes every college student should know. A vague thesis leaves your reader guessing. Make it specific, arguable, and clear. This way, your thesis works as a roadmap for your entire essay. Active voice makes your writing clearer and more direct. It puts the subject in control and keeps your sentences strong and to the point. Start with a clear topic sentence. Follow it with strong evidence and finish with your analysis. Finally, including an in-text citation strengthens your credibility and shows you've done your research. Remember, thesis, voice, and structure. 3 quick changes that can instantly upgrade your essays. These tips are just the beginning. In my full course, Writing Fundamentals for College Students, I guide you step by step through planning, writing, and polishing your essays so you can write with confidence and clarity. Click the link in the description to watch the free course demo. Your best writing is ahead of you. Let's get started.